Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the latest Python 3.14.2 version on your Windows PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser here and just type Python download, click it, and here you can see their official website, download Python, and their official website is python.org. Click the first link, and here select the downloads option here on top and select get the standalone installer. Click it, and as you can see, the download has already began. So let's wait to finish downloading, and after that select the show in folder option here, and here to install is simply double click that. I'm going to minimize all of this, and this is the setup page. So you can see there are a different option. Click this one, use admin privilege when installation Python exe, and also select add Python exe to the pod, and after that select customize installation. Here make sure all of this is selected. We're installing the pimp. Install pimp, each can download and install our Python package, and after that select next. Select this install Python 3.14 for all users, select that one, and as you can see, the custom the installation location is also here. You can change it, but I'm gonna keep it as default, and after that select install, and then select yes, and the installation process has begun. So wait for it to completely install on your PC. As you can see, the installation is completed and the setup was successful. I'm going to select the close one. So I'm going to check if the latest version of Python is successfully installed or not. I'm going to cmd and go to the command prompt here, and here just type version. It will be Python space dash dash version. So I'm going to check the installation is successfully or not. Just type Python space dash dash version. Yes, as you can see, the Python 3.14.2 is running on my PC. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.